OMG, you guys, this is literally the worst video. Not only because it's the least impressive, but because we have bratwurst, knockwurst, and some other sausages. So, to make up for the simplicity of this video, I'm starting the first ever episode of the Keto Craft Corner. The reason I'm doing this is because I thought it was really cool when I used to drink craft beer that you could talk about what you just bought while you're drinking it. It was like a hobby. So instead of beer, we could maybe discuss some cool finds, whether they're local or maybe something you haven't seen before at the grocery store. It could be cheese, fermented vegetables, mustards, anything that's keto friendly. Today I have 3 cheeses that I found at the grocery store. I've never seen them before. And also I found some sauerkraut at Presex. If you are ever traveling east of Houston in Sealy, Texas, stop at Presex. They have a bunch of fermented vegetables. And saving the best for worst, talking about the sausages, we have Fredericksburg Farms, which is not too far from where I live in Austin. German stone ground mustard. I love stone ground mustard, so between this and the sauerkraut, it should save the day even if I ruin the hot dogs. Back to the cheeses. I don't know anything about testing cheese, but I have some pecans, tomatoes, and salami just to cleanse the palate between cheeses. This is brie, so I'm pretty sure that's the most mild flavor. This is smoked, so that's probably a really strong flavor. And this is dill. So depending on how much dill they put in there, it could be stronger than the smoked one. Oh wow! That's pretty good. Tastes like brie. Oh wow. Oh wow. That's really dilly. Oh wow. What's the dilly, yo? There's a lot of dill in that cheese, but it's good. I like it. All right, let's try the smoke. Oh wow. I'll be honest, smoked cheese is usually my least favorite, but this one is really good. And it goes good with the pecans. I'm not sure if that's the correct thing to say, but that's what I think. Okay, back to the weenies. We have saved the worst for last. Did I just make that joke twice in this video? Only twice? Much like sausages, I leave no jokes on the table. Out of all the barbecue meats, you have to watch out for sausages the most when you're on a keto diet, especially since we are trying to avoid sugar because they put sugar in almost everything. That's the problem with these bratwursts here. They have corn syrup, solids, and sugar in them, along with some other junk. So I'm not gonna eat that. I'm just gonna cook it in case somebody else wants it. These are the boar's head beef knockwurst. I eat that for breakfast a lot. I'll just cut it up and put it with my eggs. It's already cooked, so you can do that. But today I'm just gonna heat it on the grill for a few minutes. These are chicken poblano queso. I'm not sure what that translates to, but I think it's something to do with peppers and cheese. And then the hot dogs, most people don't eat hot dogs anymore because they're junk, kind of like that line on The Great Outdoors, nothing but lips and a-holes. But these, I found these at the store. They're grass-fed organic beef hot dogs. As far as ingredients go, it's organic grass-fed beef, sea salt, and some organic spices, no sugar. As far as grilling these things, it just depends on whether they're already cooked or not. The hot dogs and the knockwursts are already cooked, so you just gotta put them on for like, I don't know, 5-10 minutes, and they should be hot enough to eat. The bratwurst and chicken sausage are not cooked. Ideally, you would want to cook sausages at about 350 degrees for 10 minutes per side for a total of 20 minutes. But I don't have that kind of time because sausages are meant to be appetizers, and I don't want to wait for my grill to cool down to 350 degrees because some things I want to cook at like 400, like a ribeye. So I cook these at about 400 to 450 degrees covered, indirect heat, not right on top of the coals, and it seems to work just fine. And in the spirit of Keto Craft Corner, if you find something at the store and you think it's good, why don't you leave a comment so we can all enjoy it too? And if I can find it, you can watch me eat it on the show.
Cooking with me, cooking with me, doo-ba-doo.
Well, the word on the street is, if you comment on this video, you'll be the talk of the town. If you subscribe, all of your dreams will come true. Till next time.